If you're interested in how I got this look, then just keep watching. Welcome to my natural hair journey. I'm Joy. I've been natural since 2015. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And make sure you share this video to somebody else that it might help. So as you guys can see, we're going to be doing a 2-strand twist style with flat twists on the side. I'm going to start with the first section, and I'm going to start from the back. Please excuse my son, but if I don't do the video with him in here, then the video never going to get posted. But anyway, so I am going to be doing the LCO method today. So I'm going to start with water, and then I'm going to use a leave-in, and then a cream, and then oil. So right now this is just hot water in here. And if you didn't know already, hot water opens up the hair cuticles so moisture can be let in. So right now I'm just finger detangling my hair so I can get any like serious tangles out before I get to the comb. And this just ensures that I don't like put any extra breakage on my hair. Today I'm going to be using the leave-in by Beautiful Textures, and this section may look like a huge section to you guys, but we are going to be like breaking this down into a lot of subsections. I just moisturize a whole entire section first, and then I go back in that section to start doing my actual twists. It cuts down on the time than having to do each small section by itself. So now I'm still detangling and also making sure that product got on all of the strands of my hair since it is such a huge section. So now I'm parting this section off that I'm about to actually do the first twist with. And as you guys know, I'm already tender-headed. So, you know, if you're new to the game, I'm tender-headed. I'm going to be making a lot of faces as I do my hair. But anyway, so now I'm about to go in with the cream that I'm going to use. And actually, I'm not going to be using cream. I'm going to be using the Mielle Twist and Souffle. It's one of my all-time faves. So you don't need a lot. So I'm putting that on this little section right here. Then I'm going to go in with some grapeseed oil. Love this oil to use right now. And I'm going to rub that all in. And I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb to ensure that there aren't any tangles left. Because if you're doing twists, you do want to make sure there aren't any tangles left. So then I'm just going to split this section into two and then start to twist. I don't do anything special with the actual twist. Like I don't twist the hair while I'm twisting anything. I just literally wrap the hair around the other side. I do make sure the hair is entangling up while I am going down. So if I do decide to take these out and make it into a twist out, I won't have like a bunch of frizz or anything because I do not like frizz. But yeah, so I'm just gonna fast forward through this and let you guys watch. And once I get to a certain point, I start to wrap the hair around my finger so I can make a little like coil or curl or whatever you want to call it. So when I take the twist out, it'll have definition at the bottom, because if you don't do this, then you won't have much definition at the bottom. But this is to ensure that you do have definition at the bottom. So now I'm moving on to the next section, and I'm going to do the same thing I did to the last section, except for this time, you know, it's already moisturized with the leave-in. So all I have to do is add my Mielle Twist and Souffle, and then my grapeseed oil, and then make sure it's detangled, and then I can start to twist. And so I'm just going to let you guys watch while all that happens. So I saw that the first twist was somehow way bigger than the one after that. So I just retwisted that one. Yeah, that's me retwisting that one. So I went off camera to finish the rest of my head because it was getting pretty tedious of you guys just watching me do the same thing over and over. So now I'm about to do these last 4 twists. It's going to be 2 twists on this side and then 2 flat twists on the other side. I did want to add with the front twist, I do make sure I twist away from my face. So the twist can fall back and you can't see like I don't know how to describe it, but the inside of the twist where I started at. So yeah. So now I am about to do the flat twist. If you don't know how to flat twist, I don't know how to exactly tell you how. It's kind of like a braid except for just with 2 strands, and then you're like every time you twist the hair, you're picking up some more hair with it. So yeah, that's the best way I know how to describe it. Um So yeah, so hopefully if you don't know how to do it, you can watch and then catch on, because that's literally how I learned how to flat twist. When I went natural, I just kept watching people do it on YouTube. But yeah, and I'm zooming in right now, so hopefully you can get a better view of it. I'm just twisting, picking up. Okay. Pick up hair. Every time I'm pulling it back, I'm picking up hair. Yeah. So now I'm about to go with my As I Am Dry and Itchy Scalp Care line. This is the oil. I go in after I finish my style with this oil because I don't want to like all over my hair. I literally just want it in my scalp to stop the itchiness and prevent the dryness so I don't have like scaly scalp. I mean, even though sometimes it still happens, but this is so I don't have a lot of it. So I'm going to go through it and I'm just going to massage that in.